G'day folks, Aussie Mark here, and today's the video that many of you have been waiting for. Today's the day that we announce the winners of the giveaway of the 2 drones that I offered back 2 weeks ago. And I said I'd do the draw and announce the winners, so I'm going to do that in just a second. But just before I do, I wanted to thank each and every one of you who actually entered, and to all my subscribers. Thank you very much for continuing your support of my channel. I hope that those of you who are new here will stay with me after this draw, because there are going to be more giveaways coming up in the very near future, as well as regular videos of my usual drone tutorials and drone footage and what have you. So that would be really awesome. So stop babbling, Mark, let's go. So the first draw that I'm going to do is for this guy. That's the Ghoul T47. So let's do the draw for that. We'll go straight to the computer. I'm going to use the YouTube computer, YouTube random comment picker. So let's go. So this is the video that you guys have watched and put your name down on. Let me grab the YouTube address here, copy that, and then go over to the YouTube random comment picker. You simply place the address into here by clicking paste and then search. So there you go. It's 100 unique comments on this particular one. 100 people who have entered the draw, 100 exactly. You know, that's pretty unusual in itself. So there we go, 100 comments. So let's go, the first draw, the T47, and we hit start, and here we go, folks. Looking, and the first winner is Touch Drone Adventures. Well done to you, congratulations. You win this one. Now you've got 10 days to get in touch with me and let me know where you'd like me to send that drone to. Congratulations to you, I hope you enjoy it. So the second drone we're going to be giving away is this guy. Do you remember this fellow? Let's open up the arms on that one. So yep, there's some pop assist. The pop assist spin out straight once it gets going. That's a camera drone. It is the 19HW. Excellent little one. I did a review on that, of course. So let's get into that one. Who's going to win the second drone of my draw, my first draw of 2018? So back to the comments. Over here, we're back on the YouTube comment picker. We already know we've got 100. This time it's going to be, let's scroll up and have a close look. There go the names flying off, and the winner is Hater the Gamer. Well done to you, Hater the Gamer. You just won the 19HW. That's fantastic. I hope you enjoy it, and you've got 10 days, remember, to get in touch with me and let me know where you'd like me to send it. Okay guys, that's it for today. Congratulations to you all. Stay tuned, and thanks again for watching my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.